This video might permanently change how you use your phone. If you own a smartphone, this is not optional. You don't use your phone uses you. Let's change that. The average person wastes 4 hours daily. That's 28 hours a week. Almost a full day gone. You're about to reclaim it. Your phone has a hidden God mode. Most people never unlock it. We're unlocking pro-level settings for iPhone and Android. Right now. Stop scrolling. Start dominating. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Did you know your iPhone back is actually a secret button? It's called back tap. Map double tap to screenshot. No more pressing 2 buttons, small tweak, massive speed gain. Focus. Filters are your boundary line. No work emails after 6 p.m. Control when the world reaches you. Your phone can hide apps based on location. Environment shapes behavior. Tired of slow Siri? Speed up her response inside accessibility settings. The Notes app is a pro scanner. Stop downloading junk apps. Use what you already have. Press camera in Notes, scan, send, done. Productivity peak. Automate low power mode at 30% battery. No more last-minute panic. The Shortcuts app is your weapon. Automate repetitive tasks. Save minutes daily. Android users, your turn. Your phone isn't slow. It's misconfigured. Unlock developer options. Tap build number 7 times. You're in. Find animation scales. Set them to 0.5 times. Instant speed boost. No lag, no waiting. Your phone just evolved. Feel the difference. Use multi-window multitasking. 2 apps. 1 screen. 0 context switching. Modes and routines. Automate actions based on Wi-Fi triggers. Reach the office. Phone silences itself. Leave. It comes back alive. Use the Edge panel. Your key apps 1 swipe away. Clear system cache. Reclaim wasted space. Clean system. Better speed. Now the hack that changes your brain. Turn on Grayscale mode. Apps use bright colors to hijack dopamine. Remove the color. Remove craving. Make your phone boring. You'll look up more. At people. At life. Turn off non-human notifications. If it's not a person, it's noise. Do not disturb is for deep work too. Protect focus blocks. Set app limits. Time ends. App locks. Protect your focus. It is your most valuable currency. If it doesn't make you money or make you better, delete it. 1 page, 4 apps, 0 distractions. We're in the home stretch. Here's another speed hack. Use text replacement. Type @ to enter your email instantly. Master AirDrop or Quick Share. Stop emailing files to yourself. Optimize charging habits. Battery health is long-term power. Which side are you on? Team iPhone or Team Android? This was never about brands. It was about control. Stop being a user. Become the master.
Master your tech. Master your life. Subscribe to Brainweave.